Welcome back, everybody. Tonight is what I call the main event. We've got the most fun stuff. We've got the sunset going on basically behind us, even though it don't technically set behind us, it's still pretty. We have the Godox Ad-s200 connected to the AD200, and we're using the Godox X3 Nano on top of the Canon R6, and we're shooting with my favorite lens, the Sigma 24-105 f4. So we're gonna shoot some pictures, my wife here, Denise, at sunset, so let's get started. So what I did is before we got started and turned on the flash, I measured the light with hers, ISO 100 f8, 1/25th of a second. So then I turned on the Godox Ad-s200 to put in enough flash so we can get a little fill light in there to light her up and make it look really sharp. So let's shoot some pictures and see what we get. That's gorgeous, I love that. Looks awesome. Tilt it. Oh yeah, I like that right there. Good. Right. We're getting them on coming closer. Very pretty. That looks good. Very good. Tilt it over this way. Take and maybe just drop both hands or pull both hands up. Give me a little twist. This way. Right there. Chin back this way. Right there. Good. Good smile. So you can see how we're putting just enough light to light up her face. I think I'm actually going to add a little bit more, just a touch more light. And I think from there we should be good. It was pretty good before, but I don't think this should be perfect good. Yeah, and you can see just how pretty those look without light. And this flash is a flash stick, so it comes down, you can control it with the barn doors here. You can do a 360 light right now. I've got it at about 160, so I'm closing the barn doors up a little bit toward her. So let's shoot a few more of her and then we'll wrap it up. So let's see, back up a few feet. Very good. Very pretty. Good. Get him in. You want to do some without your glasses? Or you want to keep them? All right. Step about right there. Let me put this a little bit closer to her. I'm going to move this a little bit closer to her, get just a little bit more light on there. It's kind of cold out here. You can see she's freezing. And I'm a little cold too. But we're going to get this done because these are pretty. Very good. That one is almost perfect. That's probably my favorite one so far. That was the best lighting. That was the best we had on everything. Keep that smile. Very pretty. Down. We can bring your chin back this way a little bit. Good. Put your feet apart a little bit. And then twist it back. There you go, right there. Right there, good. Good smile. There you go. Good smile. Do you want to do any down on the ground, on your knees? And we'll wrap it up from there. I'm going to drop this down a little lower because she is going down toward the ground. I'm going to tilt this a little bit more toward her, a little more light, and now we'll be good to go. Right there, very good. Looks very good. Tilt it over this way just a little bit. Good. Arch your back up real straight. Good. I'll almost bring this over her head. Okay, back up at me. Good. I'm not coming close. Get a headshot. Very good. Bring it. There you go. Right there again. Right there. Good smile. Very good. Okay, you can stand up. All right. So that was how you do it with the sunset. Like I said, I measured the light beforehand, got the reading, and then I added just enough fill light with the Godox Ad-s200 to fill the light into her face so that we can keep the background looking good and light her up and keep it looking good. So hope y'all like these pictures, and if you have any questions, just send me an email and I'll be glad to answer your emails. For helping you out, hit subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.